Just turn it off.
Olivia looks like an ice cream cone with a bite taken out of it. Exo Gloria.
I've been getting texts like that all week.
She loves my idea.
She's also fallen from grace. She's crazy.
Then quit.
Wait, who do you think is paying for this visit? I went out the other night with Shane and Kim. Just to keep ties, you know.
That's great.
No. Yeah. It's just... They chose Farley's, which is standing room only at the bar. So my knee starts acting up. And they start in with, Grandpa needs to sit down. Grandpa, whatever.
Your friends aren't bad. Just don't know what to say. They don't know. Like when Jesus was in the garden.
Oh,
you know, his apostles didn't want to hurt him, but they did.
Thank you, Father Charles.
Well, some things you can't understand until you understand them. Until they're happening to you.
Give me the phone.
Timothy.
Give me the phone!
Joseph, why would he be romantically interested in you? Your body is falling apart.
He likes my personality.
Joseph, you have a terrible personality. He's using you to get closer to the story.
He's going to stop covering you. Besides, weren't you the one who said I need to put myself back out there? So don't start. I can't spend all my time with you, all right? All is well, right? Isn't that with that inspirational song?
Oh, don't do that, don't do that. You don't even know how. The Rothko picture. It led me to that hymn that Dad used to say to us every day. It was the scripture passage that matches Dad's birthday exactly. My son, thine adversity and thine afflictions shall be but a small moment. Why do you need everything to be so hopelessly random when it
Because it is! Because the passage isn't 12:17. It's 121:7. I looked it up.
If you move the colon...
This isn't the Da Vinci Code! Dad isn't sending you messages!
Stop it!
Ow! What is your problem, motherfucker? What is your problem?
You're so insensitive, you are! And you are cheap,
Calm
just
down.
like Dad. And you don't spend more than 20 bucks on anything, even gifts. It's so
Don't
pathetic.
get so upset!
I am upset. You are having fluid drain from your spine.
It's gonna be fine.
No, it's not. We have no parents, Joseph. And Uncle Bill is so old, I just keep hoping he dies so we can stop watching him get worse. Joseph. 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 Joseph.
Since when do you buy anyone a gift over 20 bucks? Besides, your gifts are terrible. You don't even wrap them.
Western Sahara looks like a revolver. Exo Gloria.
Where is Western Sahara?
South of Morocco.